My name is Patty, and we are McCullough customers. Every day they came in to work and they took their shoes off and they picked up after themselves. It was just a really good experience all the way around.
McCullough always seemed to be a good value, right? Quality work, professional, works well on my timeline and communicates well, and has good products that they're installing and installing them well. So that definitely has been a reason I continue to call them back.
I think McCullough stood out with their professionalism. Everybody came, all of them dressed nice, took all kinds of care, covering their shoes and everything. In the attic, they were real careful. They were professional all the way around.
They're professional, they're personal, they know what they're doing. I would say call McCullough. They have a cute dog on their trucks, and they're really great people.